In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable or remove apps from Slack. First, open your web browser and head to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Slack and press Enter. From the results, click the official Slack link to open Slack on the web. If you're prompted to sign in, use your regular workspace credentials. Keep in mind, you'll need the right permissions to remove apps. Typically, workspace owners, admins, or members granted app management rights can do this. Once Slack is open, look to the left sidebar and find the Apps section. This is where installed apps appear and where you can start managing them. Next to Apps, click the three dots to open more options. Choose Manage. This brings you to Slack's App Management view, where you can review what's installed in your workspace. From here, click Browse Apps. This takes you to the broader catalog related to your workspace. You'll see an option to open in Slack Marketplace. Click that to launch the full Marketplace experience in your browser, which provides additional management tools. In the Marketplace, locate the menu icon with three horizontal lines in the upper right corner and click it. From that menu, select Manage. This filters the view to apps already connected to your workspace so you can act on them directly. Find the specific app you want to remove. If you're unsure, it helps to look at the app's description to confirm what it does and where it's active. Click into the app you want to remove. On the Apps Management page, look for the three dots menu and click it to reveal more actions. Choose Uninstall. Slack will show a confirmation screen. Here, select the option that confirms you want to remove the app from your workspace. This step helps ensure you're intentionally uninstalling the correct integration and acknowledges any impact it may have on channels or workflows. Finally, click Uninstall to confirm. Slack will process the request and remove the app. After a moment, the app should no longer appear in your installed list, and it won't be able to post messages, access workspace data, or run automations. If you were only aiming to stop activity temporarily, consider that uninstalling effectively disables the app. You can always reinstall it later if needed. That's it. You opened Slack, navigated to Apps, used the Marketplace's Manage view, selected your app, and completed the uninstall. If you run into permission issues, reach out to a workspace admin. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your Slack workspace clean and under control.